Hey guys, what's up? In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can set a default value for new tasks you create in your monday.com boards. So let us get started. Head over to monday.com, select your workspace in the left panel and the board from that list below. So let me go with that one here. So guys, you can create or set a default value for your tasks and groups, for example, like for a column like this, the status, the due date, priority, the ownership, and so on and so forth. If you don't want to change that value over and over again whenever you create a new task, you can set a default value for each new task you create. Let me show you how to do it. You will need to access your board options. So make sure that your board is selected here to the left. And after that, click into these three dots in the top right corner, hover your mouse over settings here, and click into default item values. And what you want to do next, guys, is go through these items and columns and simply set a default value here to the right. Like for the aforementioned status, the default value should be not started. So if you start a new task, it is probably not going to be on status complete or in progress, but probably on not started. But you may go with any of these or edit or create a completely new default label or value if you like. And yeah, simply do the same for each of these items here. You may clear your selection and start all over if you like. And that's basically it. Once you have set your default values for all of these items, like for example, priority, like, I don't know, medium as a default value, you may simply save it by clicking on save here. And these changes are going to be applied instantaneously. So whenever you create a new task, these default values will be added automatically. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.